Today we're going to be making pumpkin patch pancakes for breakfast, which consists of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 cup of salsa, half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of applesauce, and 2 egg whites beaten to stiff peaks. First we put in all the dry ingredients in. Then we're going to be adding the salsa. I've mixed all the ingredients in the large bowl. Now I'm going to mix up the egg whites. I just beat the egg whites until I see the peaks. Now I'm folding the egg whites into my batter. Now putting 1/3 cup onto my griddle. Now I'm going to flip my pancakes.
I'm eating this with applesauce and maple syrup.
How does it taste, darling?
So good. It's very light and fluffy. It's delicious.